everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Peachy Pooja. So some of you may know me and many of you may not know me. So let me tell you, my name is Pooja Yadav and I live in Bangalore. So I recently shifted to Bangalore, and related to Bangalore, my job, I got so many DMs on my Instagram. I'll tag my Instagram username somewhere here. It's peachy_Pooja, and there we are a family of 20,000 followers. In this video we are gonna take some questions जो मुझसे Instagram में पूछे गए थे related to Bangalore, related to my new job as software engineer. So I'm gonna give you all the answers of those questions. So let's start the video. Before proceeding with the question, I just wanted to let you know that from this video, it is 2 a.m. in the night, and from this video I am promising you to be so active at YouTube as well. मैं यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा inactive हूँ क्योंकि आलस is the main reason, but now I'm gonna work hard on YouTube as well, and please support me in my journey. The very first question is about me. What's my name, my college name, my course, and everything related to me. So my name is Pooja Yadav. I am from Haryana, and I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIT Kurukshetra. And yeah, that's all about me. The next question is where I am working. So I am currently working as software developer in Flipkart, and I recently joined Flipkart some 3 months ago. And one more question apart from this is, how did I get this job, whether it was on campus or off campus. So it was an off campus opportunity. The next question is, what was the hiring process of Flipkart? So basically I filled the form which I get on a random WhatsApp group where I generally get all the notification of placements and internships. So I got the form as well. I filled the form, and after that I received a test link, and the test link, it was a coding round. There I got 3 DSA questions, and I was able to solve, I guess, 2.5 question. Means there was one question in which some test cases were passed but some test cases got failed. So I managed to solve around 2.5 questions, and after the test I received a mail that I have qualified the coding round, and now I'll be having my interviews. So for the interviews I had 3 interview rounds, 2 technical and 1 HM round. So in the technical round there were basically 2 DSA question in each round, and each round was eliminatory. So in tech 1 round it was like 2 DSA questions. These were medium to hard, maybe not very hard, these were medium kind of questions. And in technical round 2 I had my technical round 2 on the same day. I got interview link after 2 to 3 hours of my technical round 1, and in that round as well I got 2 DSA questions related to DP or graph, maybe these were the topics: DP, graph, strings, not strings, stacks, these were trees. These were some of the topics which were asked to me. And apart from that, nothing else was asked to me related to computer science fundamental, nothing. It was purely DSA based interview rounds. So yeah. And in the HM round I was asked about my projects and some general behavior questions. So that was all about the hiring process of Flipkart, and 3 interview rounds were there. Yeah. Next question is, and this is the most asked question, that how was your journey, what was your strategy to prepare for Flipkart? So basically there was nothing, any kind of strategy for Flipkart. Basically I was simply preparing for my placements during my college, and even you won't believe that I got this opportunity when my college got over. I got this opportunity in June and my college was over in May. So talking about my preparation strategy, so I basically followed the sheet of Striver, and in the earlier phase of my preparation I also followed Lovebubber sheet, but I didn't follow it much. The most part of my preparation strategy was belong to Striver playlist and his sheet. It's awesome. And just practice on LeetCode or GFG. I generally practice mostly on GFG. I also practiced on LeetCode because many of the questions in the sheet were from LeetCode. So I practiced on LeetCode and GFG, and Striver sheet helped me a lot. Stiver sir, if you're seeing it, thank you so much for your help. So many of you asked me that we are in our final year, we are in our third year preparing for internship, we are in final year preparing for placements, so please guide us and all. So guys, I am not here to guide you, and maybe I'm not the right person to guide you, but the one thing which I want to tell you from my experience, that please don't give up, please don't lose hope. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप खुद पे फेथ बनाए रखें. इफ़ यू आर एमिंग समथिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव समथिंग एंड यू हैव अ पर्टिकुलर टारगेट, देन डोंट गिव अप, यू विल श्योरली गेट द चांस. मतलब मेरे को हमेशा से ही था कि अगर मुझे प्लेसमेंट चाहिए तो मुझे अच्छी प्लेसमेंट चाहिए, वरना I'll figure out something else. मतलब it was like कि I don't want to compromise in my life. मतलब मैं compromise नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. I think जितना मैंने हार्डवर्क किया है या जितना मैंने पढ़ाई की है, मेरे को उतना चाहिए. एंड आई नो कंडीशंस इस साल बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी थी, एंड उसकी वजह से मेरा इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं लग पाया था, एंड उसके बाद प्लेसमेंट्स में भी कॉलेज में इतना अच्छा सीन नहीं था. आई गॉट सम चांसेस फॉर द इंटरव्यूज़. I got, not some chances, I would say I just got one interview chance in SAP Labs, and it was good for me, but unfortunately I didn't get the opportunity. But in the end, there were so many less companies and I didn't apply, but I was losing hope. But my mind was saying, just go, don't give up, don't give up, you will get your chance, you will get your chance. So, and in the end I landed in Flipkart, and I am so grateful to God, my parents, my friends who motivated me every single time. And now I am here and I am so happy, and definitely I'll be working so hard to grow more and more. So I'll suggest the same thing to you, that don't give up. So many of you asked me about my CTC, so I don't want to reveal my CTC in this video. You can check out the CTC of Flipkart of SD1 on YouTube. It is available everywhere, literally everywhere, so you can find them. Many of you didn't ask the questions but showed so much love to my content, to me. So for all those cute people, thank you so much for watching me and supporting me, and I need your support and love to grow more and more in my content creation journey. So do follow me, subscribe, and show your love and support to me. This is pretty much about it was a completely my journey or my experiences and my strategy that you called, and it was completely about myself or Flipkart, how did I get the job and all. These were all the questions which I answered in this video, and I hope it will be helpful for you. And for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting very frequently on this channel, so do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.